Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of a block in a blockchain. Here's a quick activity. Pause the video and type the missing words in the comments below. This helps you remember the key vocabulary right from the start. Okay, go ahead and pause it. All right, let's check the answer. So a block is like a digital container that stores data on a blockchain. Most of the time, this data is a collection of transactions, but blocks can also hold other information depending on the blockchain. All right, so good job on that one. Good job, everybody. Nice try. Let's dive a little bit deeper, though. So in this video, we're going to cover a simple explanation of a blockchain block. We'll also look at the three main types of blocks: Genesis block, valid block, and orphan block. And we're going to do a fun activity so you can practice phrases and test your understanding of the concept. All right, let's get started. So you can imagine a blockchain as an endless growing tower of Lego bricks. Each of those bricks is a block. You can keep adding new bricks to the top forever as long as you follow the rules of how they connect. All right, let's talk about the three types of blocks that you'll find in the blockchain. Not every block does the same job. First, there's the Genesis block. This is the very first block in the entire chain. It's unique because unlike all the other blocks, it doesn't have another block before it. You can think of it as a starting point or the foundation. Next, we have valid blocks. These are the standard blocks that make up most of the chain. They contain transactions, and once they're properly verified, they're added to the blockchain in order. And finally, there are orphan blocks. These are kind of like the rejected blocks, right? So they were created, but they didn't end up on the main chain. This is often because two blocks were created around the same time and the network only chose one to continue to move forward. So these three, Genesis, valid, and orphan, give us a good picture of how blocks can play different roles in the chain. Now, let's switch gears a little bit and let's look at other ways the word block is used in blockchain English. You'll notice it often appears in some combinations or what we call noun phrases. Each of these phrases has a very specific meaning, so it's important to get comfortable with them. Okay, so the first one is a block header, which is the phrase, as I mentioned, is a noun phrase. It refers to the metadata section of a block containing identifying information. The phrase block height is a noun phrase. It refers to the position of a block in the blockchain, starting from the Genesis block. And a block reward is also a noun phrase. It refers to the incentive given to miners or validators for creating a new block. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay? We're going to do a quick activity called sentence scramble. Here's how it works. I'll give you a set of words all mixed up. Your job is to put them back in the right order and make a correct sentence in English. This will help you understand the vocabulary we just learned, but it will also help you to understand how to use it properly in English. So you're going to kill two birds in one stone here. All right? Let's get started with the first one. Here's the first one. Take a moment. It's block header. Try to arrange the words. What sentence do they make? Pause the video, write it down in the comments below or on a piece of paper or have it in your head. Pause the video. Okay? So the correct answer here is the block header contains metadata identifying information. Okay, here's the next one, block height. Try to put these words in order again. Try to make a correct sentence. Pause the video there. All right, let's check our answer. So the answer is the block height shows a block's position in the blockchain. Good. And the last one, go ahead and scramble it there, pause the video, do what you need to do. All right, the correct answer is miners or validators receive the block reward for creating a new block. Good job, everybody. All right, thank you so much for watching this explainer. And if you want to go deeper, which I definitely recommend, check out the link in the description. You'll find full lessons, more concept explainers, and practice quizzes to test your understanding. We'll see you in the next video.